Hey Excel friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a common challenge in Excel, splitting full name into first, middle and last name. So whether you are working with an old version of Excel or latest one, I have got three ways or I can say three easy methods to help you out. Let's dive right in and simplify your spreadsheet task. First, let's extract the first name by using the left function. This formula will grab all the characters before the first space in the name. Yeah, it's like cutting out the first part of the name right up to that first space. Yeah, here by using the search function, we find where the first space is. Okay, and left function help us to get the everything before it. That's our first name. We'll get it. We replace the last space with a special marker using substitute and right function together. It takes everything after that marker as the last name. Now let's extract the middle name using the mid function. This formula will pull out whatever is between the first and last name. Extracting the middle name is not so easy. So because we have to use multiple Excel function together with the mid function. So please watch very carefully here. If your name has just two parts, the middle name formula might return a blank. That's okay. You can choose to leave it or handle with an if function if you want a different output. Let's see how. Let's try with the another method by using the VBA code. Here is a simple VBA script that will split the names into first, middle and last name. Please copy and paste the code given in description. Finally, let's look at the text split function which is available in the latest version of Excel.